When it comes to retirement planning, you may have questions on how to plan for your golden years and whether you have enough savings. Let's find out how you can have greater peace of mind with CPF. Introducing the new CPF Planner, your personal guide to helping you make the most of your CPF savings. Simply answer a few questions and we'll help you figure out the details. Here's how in less than 3 minutes. Step 1. Get to cpf.gov.sg/beready and click on the CPF Planner. Let's start. Step 2. Answer a few quick questions for us to understand your needs better. Let's say the most important goal to you right now is this: finding easy and simple ways to save enough for retirement. Next, we'll look at your key needs. In retirement planning, let's say you have no idea where to start. Oh dear. When it comes to healthcare coverage, perhaps you're unsure whether you're protected. And of all the scenarios in housing repayments that you can find yourself in, maybe you don't know if you can pay off your housing loan. Not to worry, the CPF Planner will know how to help you later. Finally, in Step 3, let's estimate how much you need to save for your desired retirement lifestyle. Fill in the blanks here, it's easy. When you're done, click on Show Me My Results. And in the next second, the CPF Planner gets to work to give you your personalized guide. The first section shows an estimation of how much you need to save based on your desired retirement income. Not sure how far you are from this goal and how your CPF savings can help you? Scroll below to know more. With CPF Life, you can have peace of mind in retirement. CPF Life is a national longevity insurance annuity scheme that provides monthly payouts no matter how long you live. Use this section to estimate how much CPF savings you need to save based on the monthly payouts you wish to receive. You can also read on to find out how you can potentially achieve this payout using the recommended tips, tools, and resources for you. And if you're still not clear, the CPF Planner also provides you with relevant articles that you can read to get more tips. See? It's that quick and easy! So try the CPF Planner at cpf.gov.sg/beready today.